Hi, I'm Alex Shuker, CTO at Draytech UK and Ireland, and today I've got a VigorSwitch P2100. I wanted to take a look at the contents with you to see what's inside the box. The VigorSwitch P2100 is an 8-port PoE switch that also has 2 SFP ports. It's got 140 watts of PoE budget, which is quite good for delivering power to PoE devices. So let's have a look at the unit itself. I'll just take out of its wrapping. So it's upside down. Right, so here's the front of the P2100 switch. We can see we've got the LEDs here and the 8 PoE ports, console port for configuring out of band, and then we've got 2 SFP ports. So these can be used for uplinks to another switch or other devices that support SFP. We've also got a reset button, and there's an LED here for the statuses. The budget of the PoE is 140 watts, so it means that it can deliver PoE to all 8 ports. It's up to 30 watts per port. And let's take a look at the back. We've got a power socket for a kettle lead, and then we've got here for earthing point. Let's take a look at what else is in the box. So we've got a console cable. This is for out-of-band configuration of the device, but you can manage it directly using IP. It also supports central management, so you can manage it using VigorACS or from a Draytech router. Here's the kettle lead for powering it. What else is in here? We have the things for rack mounting it. So let's take a look at these. These are wings, so you can put it into a 19-inch rack. Let's take a look here. Comes with 2, so you put one on either end. They can be installed this way for installing into a rack, but also you can wall mount it. So if you rotate it there, it will still, the holes will still fit, so you can wall mount it as well. And we've got all the screws you need to connect that together. We've also got these are feet, so these can be used for placing on a surface. So you just stick these feet to the bottom of the unit, and then you can put it on a table instead of mounting it in a rack. So that's everything that's in the box. Hope you enjoyed taking a look at the product with me. Thank you very much for watching.